Hello viewers, you're welcome to Picabolo TV GH once again. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon next to the subscription button. And please also don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also please share this video with your friends and loved ones. Let's go to all these waterfalls together. The road is tarred, very steep, very narrow, with lots and lots of motorbikes and tricycles on the way.
Hey, what's wrong with that? Oh, too bad.
I was told this accident happened the day before I went for my visit. The driver had a failed brake and felt driving down the road downhill would have caused more havoc, so he swerved into the valley. Atiefo, ne mamu akwaba edeba Picabolo TVGH so. Aha ye obo adaka, baby a insutini bi enam abepo so egu fem no. Potakasem we friend Waterfalls no. Ano ho no ma na yedu awie no. Enti monhwe efi ehoko Chrome na enwa. Se wo rekwa obefa ka wo. Pu Chrome. Ubefa obo adaka ka e wo pu Chrome. Na wo di akosi obo adaka Chrome. Na afi de wanante wako. Guys, so the place is virtually locked. You have to pick the key from somewhere. This is it. It is locked. So luckily, I came with someone who knows the place and he took the keys. So I'm the only person going there right now. There is nobody here. Hey. This is the route to the place, and there is a valley here. There is a valley here where they've made the fence. It's actually a very deep valley, very, very deep valley. So we are now the only people at the place walking to the site. Look at these beautiful stones over here. Very beautiful. The stones have been arranged. Oh dear. Guys, we are there. The stones here, very wonderful. The staircase to the place is well lit and very beautiful. Guys, so this is the Obuadaka Waterfall I've been talking about. The place is so serene, so nice, and you can come here and have fun with your family. So as you can see, that's the water. So this is a very nice place. Please come and tour the place. Ghana, we have a lot of things. So do come. So I started leaving the place because by then I finished making my video and the place was empty, virtually empty. I couldn't have stayed for anything else. Guys, so I'm now leaving the place. The place is virtually empty. As you could see, I was the only person there with the man who brought me, and the place is so untapped. So come and tap and then enjoy nature with your friends and family. The place is very serene, very cool. So as I said, the place was locked. I was the one who went with this driver to ask for the key. So this is the entrance again. I'm at the entrance and then we'll be locking the place up. Guys, so that was me locking up the place to go and give the key to the keeper. Seriously, had it not been the taxi driver who went with me, I couldn't have gone into this place alone, all by myself. I couldn't have done it because the place was just quiet, just calm, And you know, I'm a bit superstitious, so I would have been scared to go there alone.
It's a lucky one. Not in
The key. I have the key now, so when you are coming, please ask for the key at where the house is before you come. If the key is already here, you'll be told. But if the key is not here, it will be given to you as it was given to me. So this is the place.
At this point, we walked back to the key keeper's house, which is right on the way to the waterfalls. From her house to the place has a rough road, but it is just a walking distance which anyone can walk.
Handing over the key to the key keeper. So this is the key. I'm giving it back to her. So when you come, as I said, this is the house. You come here to ask for the key first before you go down to the waterfalls. If you ask and the key is already there or it has been opened, then you go. Otherwise, you go and be stuck and then you have to come back to her.
After giving her the keys, we walked back to the car. Mind you, my car is not this small white car you see. I went with a taxi, so it is parked right behind this one. I chartered it right from Pukrom to Obwadaka, where the waterfalls is located, in what we usually call dropping. So we went back to town, and that is the driver I got. He drives this taxi in town, and he was very helpful and useful the day I went. At this point, we went back downhill. When you are sloping here, you can see the Ebri Mountains very beautifully arranged. Most of the time, there are no traffic on this route, but sometimes certain vehicles will be ahead of you and will be preventing you from reaching your destination faster, like this Kia ahead of us. At a point, we had to overtake it. So that's me on my way back to Nsawam. I spent about 3 hours in and out. In my next video, I'll be showing you the stomach clinic in the area. If you want to know what the stomach clinic is all about, please just stick around and subscribe to the channel.